This is getting our sawmill ready. Put these mafia blocks in. I had Branscapes come out, help level those all out. Then this weekend we drilled holes in them, put these threaded rod in with a bolt, with a plate, and that could adjust it up and down so it'll make your track go level. Now we're setting it down here on some 6x8s. See, all these bolts will be able to adjust this track, so if this track, you know, if the lumber starts coming out like it's off a little bit, you can adjust this track. We've been using a transit. We're gonna cut these off once we start setting the track in. Comes down here. That's what it's gonna look like.